Hello friends, my name is Emma. If you are searching how to delete Prezi account, so your search ends here. Today, in this video I am going to tell you how you can delete your account in just some easy steps. So let's get started. Method 1. How to delete Prezi account online. Make sure that your Prezi subscription is cancelled before deleting the account, because deleting the account does not mean that your subscription is automatically cancelled. Even after deleting the account, you will be charged for its subscription. Log into your Prezi account. Go to the account settings section. Click on the profile tab. Tap on the delete account button from the right side. Open your email and you will receive a confirmation link from their team. Click on that link to confirm your deletion. And you are done. Only by using this method you can delete your Prezi account. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to follow our YouTube channel.